how to online metadata remove pro for free without investment. Okay, let's go my audience. Hey audience, first time open your Chrome browser and this section search toolspro.com and enter top section 100% free based all type tools master pro G. Click now this option, open this site and scroll 18 plus multiple PDF tools for free. Click now this option, open this site. This option search bar any type need your requirement. Okay, and multiple tools your need requirement. Okay, this video review remove PDF metadata. Click now this option, this page open and PDF metadata pro, remove PDF metadata. Okay, this file select option and dark theme, light theme, your need, your requirement. Select option, select PDF. Click now, select a PDF invoice. Okay, open and title, author, subject, keyword, creator, producer and creation date, modification date. Okay, all option detected and clear metadata and download option. Click now this option and download. Okay, metadata remove successfully and file download. Okay, clean it invoice PDF. Okay, this video helpful. Please my page follow me and my channel subscribe and bell all option hitting. Okay, next video next day.